Let's talk about digital sensors. Digital sensors offers an extremely important element for the manufacturing process. It helps understanding in a discrete manner the existence or the lack of existence, the touch and the activation or the lack of activation. A digital sensor offers discrete binary data, zeros and ones. Digital sensors convert analog signals into the discrete data. Some examples of digital sensors are reed switches, infrared sensors, push buttons, proximity sensors, digital temperature sensors, and digital pressure sensors. Digital sensors are crucial for the manufacturing process so that we can enable the detection, the analysis, the monitoring that leads to taking an action on the manufacturing process. And that's what digital sensors are.